So I'm on a Garpin team studying geodesy, crustal deformation, and developing esoteric GPS techniques. In our lab, we use high precision GPS and INSAR, and we investigate big earthquakes to develop earthquake early warning capabilities and understand them better, characterize volcanic plumbing systems to figure out the geometry and magma volume changes at depth, analyze surface loading and hydrosphere dynamics, detect and analyze volcanic ash plumes, and occasionally study troposphere and ionosphere phenomena. The group right now is myself and Revati Parameswaran, who is a recent postdoc, Mario Angarita, Etienne Cheng, Emily Graves, Mariah Graham, and Alex Lapadat are PhD students at various stages in their career. Logan Fusu is a master's candidate, and Natasha Graham is a master's student. And here's a list of classes that I'm offering right now at the seminar. But also last semester, we offered a social justice seminar. We formed a pod that was part of the Unlearning Racism in the Geosciences program, or URGE, that was conducted nationwide and had NSF support. There we met once a week in actually 2 separate pods and either discussed racism-related journal articles or developed proposals for policy change in the GI department and UAF in general that we hope to follow up on over the next semesters. On the science side, some recent results. We analyzed the Chignik earthquake that happened offshore of the Alaska Peninsula here in July. We generated co-seismic static GPS offsets, high rate time series, and INSAR maps. And we can use that to get at the slip distribution on the fault and then do stress modeling of how stresses on the megathrust have changed. Revati and Logan were intimately involved in that. Emily is working on New Mexico hydrology. Here we can see a wastewater injection into a well that actually is cracked. So you get surface deformation in those INSAR observations that propagates outwards over about a year and a little bit. And from that, we can get that surface properties and find those kinds of wells. Mario right now is working as part of the PREVENS project and using SAR amplitude images to quantify surface deformation. Here at Shishaldin in 2019 detects in the crater about a 30-meter drop of the surface due to the eruption. Logan's project is in Iceland. The Holuhraun eruption from 2014-15 produced a lava flow, and he's studying the compaction of that here with a INSAR velocity map showing kind of the thicker flow channels of the lava. And another project is Erebus, where we are trying to use GPS and seismic data to get at kind of transient deformation related to the magma transfer at depth.